Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12T and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and right here we have to scroll down in order to find the home screen. Let's tap on it. As you can see, the second section is connected with the system navigation. We've got only one option, so let's tap. And here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So before we will set the gestures, which are of course right here, let me focus a little bit on the buttons, just in case that you want to stick with this option and you'd like to maybe customize it. So right here you've got some options connected to the buttons. Here you can decide if you want to mirror the buttons, so you can change the position of the back button and the recents. So we can just switch them just like that by using this switcher. Here we've got the button shortcuts, so you can simply add the shortcut to particular button. So for example, as you can see, long press the home button will launch the Google Assistant, and so on and so on. So you can customize it right here. And here you've got the option to automatically disable navigation buttons in particular apps. You can pick them. So as you can see, you can customize the buttons if you want to stick with this option, but if you'd like to set the gestures, just tap on this animation right here. As you can see, your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial of how to use, or where you can actually learn how to use the gestures, but I don't want to do it. What's more, I'll show you how to use them, so you don't have to go through it also. And right here in the same section we've got some options thanks to which we can customize the gestures. So here we can, for example, hide the full screen indicator. I mean this line which is at the very bottom of the screen, and I personally prefer to have it hidden. So let me turn on this option. I don't want to go through the tutorial. Right here we've got the gesture confirmation, which simply means that sometimes in particular situations your device will need the confirmation of the gesture of the action which you've done. So for example, the back button whilst you're playing games or watching the video. So sometimes you will just have to double the gesture. Here you've got the gesture demos. Let's right now focus on how to the gestures actually work. So if you'd like to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, just like that. And if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger. And it doesn't really matter if you will do it from the left or from the right side, it simply works the same. If you'd like to get back to the home page, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up fastly from the bottom to the center, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page. And if you'd like to open the recents, you have to just repeat the gesture. So swipe your finger from the button to the center of your device, but right now do it slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. So just like that. And right now you can release the finger. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps. So basically that's all. This is how to set the gestures in your Xiaomi 12T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.